Hello fellow designers, so today in this video I'm gonna show you the easiest way to resize your elements in Sketch using the inspector. Alright, so let's get into it. So here we are inside of Sketch. Let's start by resizing and creating our layers and resizing them. So here I have this iPhone 11 Pro Max artboard. It really doesn't matter which artboard you have. So I'm going to press the shortcut R and create my first rectangle, remove its border and center it to my artboard. So usually if you want to resize this layer to make it or to give it 100% width, you can drag each side. Alright, or you can press Alt and drag both sides. But there's a trick in Sketch that really helps me in my daily workflow. And if you come here in the inspector after selecting your layer, and in the width field type 100% C, and C stands for from the center, and press enter. Alright, so here we go. Now we have a full width rectangle layer. Now let's duplicate this rectangle first, and let's say we want to make it half of my artboard. So we can do it in two different ways in Sketch. So you can go in the inspector in the width field and divide it by 2. Alright, or you can simply type 50%. Great. So now let me duplicate the first one, and let's say I want to resize it now, but from the right. Okay, so again, come to the width field in the inspector and type here 50% R, which stands for right. Boom. Okay, and there's one thing here. As you noticed previously, when I wanted to resize this layer here from the left, I didn't type any letter. Okay, because you can simply type the L, which stands for left. But since the default behavior for Sketch is to resize layers from the left side, so no need to type anything in here. Okay, so this is it. Hope this really helps you, and see you in the next video.